Hi, I'm Kendall. I'm back and I'm going to show you a couple quick tips for shaping and creating the right arch for your eyebrows. The easiest way I find to do that is to use the old pencil trick. And what you want to do, you want to take a nice pencil or pen if you have one, and you want to hold the pencil right to the side of your nostril and hold it vertical here. And this is the 3-point pencil technique. This is the first point. This is ideally where you want your eyebrow to begin. So as you can see with Kim here, this is perfect. We don't want the eyebrows to start any closer in, or it might make her look a little angry. And if you start with your brows too far outward, it can kind of give you a wide-eyed expression. So this is ideal. We start right here. Now the second point is you take the pencil and you use it at an angle, and you line it up right here to the outer point of the iris. And what you want to do ideally is have the arch right up here. This is going to be the highest point of the arch of your eyebrow. Then what we do for the third point is we take it and we lay it on the outside right here, so that's lined up not only with the nose but with the outer part of the eye, and this is where the eyebrow ideally should end. I hope that makes it quick and simple for you at home.